Good evening. It's an announcement that is making waves. Masks no longer optional in the Boise School District.
Many parents at tonight's meeting are not happy, and they made sure to let the board know it. The change requires everyone indoors to wear a mask, vaccinated or not. This comes after the CDC and Central District Health recommended universal indoor masking for all teachers, staff, and students.
Our Tristan Lewis joins us now to tell us more about the latest board decision. And Tristan, you were there. Things got really heated once it started and once it ended.
That's right, Mark. As board members were ending the meeting, parents were yelling at them, calling them cowards, and saying they do not have the students' best interests at heart. Board members did not say anything back, but they do say their decision was influenced to keep kids in school for in-person learning as safe and as long as they can.
You were cowards. You did not stand for the children.
Emotions running high for parents, families, and students within the Boise School District.
This is despicable. You're all sheep.
The Boise School District's Board of Trustees unanimously voting to require all students, staff, and visitors, regardless of vaccination status, to wear face coverings at the start of the upcoming school year.
We feel like the masks at this point in time with this high transmission are our absolute best bet to starting the school year in person 5 days a week.
This requirement comes as COVID cases begin to rise again around Ada County and Idaho. Board members all agreed that requiring masks is the most secure way to keep students learning in person. They also say masks are a way to help lower how many students have to quarantine if there was an exposure.
It's too important to me to have kids in the classroom in front of teachers who that's the best way they learn. And we got to make that available.
This mask requirement comes less than a month after the board approved to have face coverings optional for everyone. This change has parents against the requirement feeling like they are not being heard.
They knew they weren't going to allow oral testimony or bringing up any emails that came in, nothing, because they know that what we want isn't what they're going to give us.
They say they will continue to fight back and do what they feel is right.
I will say that my child will be going to school, and I will walk him in if I have to. He will not wear a mask, and I will be there to support any child that wants their education without a mask.
Some parents against the requirement say Tuesday night's decision is having them make a big choice for their student.
I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to decide. It's devastating.
So what happens if a student is exposed to someone with COVID at school? The district says as long as both are wearing masks and the student who is a close contact has no symptoms, there is no quarantine like we saw last year. Mark?
Seems like this is just the start of this. Tristan, thanks.